They said it was more than just a driver. They sent him the storm on wheels.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Jericho Blossom #9 YouTube channel. Today I am racing at Martinsville Speedway in the Craftsman Truck series. I'm qualified 30th. So we're going to get into it here and see what I can do.
Get on your feet. It's time to go NASCAR Truck Series racing as we go trackside from the most famous words in all of motorsports. Drivers, start your engine!
Time to go. Good
Here we
luck
go.
out there.
Good. 50 laps. We'll see what happens.
10 away. There's the green. Carlo. Inside now.
There's the wall.
Clear. Inside. Car inside. Clear all around. Car high. One inside. Clear inside. Clear high, you want it. One bottom, all clear. Outside. Clear up top.
This truck of mine is my second truck.
Clear outside.
It has level 3 upgrades on it compared to my other one, which only had level 2.
Still there. Clear outside. One low. Clear low.
Come on. Just default setup, whatever the game starts you with is all I'm using for this.
Driver, that was your best lap ever. outside. Car outside. All clear. Clear high. One high. Clear high.
Alright, we're up to 29. It took me a while to get past him.
One inside. Clear low if you want it. Inside. Clear bottom. Outside. One bottom. Clear low. Clear high. Inside door. Clear low if you want it. Inside door. Clear inside. Outside. Clear outside. One outside. Car low. Clear
Really,
outside.
dude?
Clear inside. Outside. Clear all around.
I guess that was my fault.
Inside door. Clear bottom. One bottom. Clear low. Outside. Clear high. Outside. Clear outside. Clear high. Halfway home. One bottom. Clear low if you want it. One inside. Clear inside. One up high. Clear outside. Outside door. Clear low. To go now. One outside. Clear outside. One outside. Clear outside. Bring it in and fit this time. Let us know what you need, bud. Bring it in this lap, bud. Leaders in the pits.
All right, doing our first round of pit stops. Getting 4 tires, and I forget how much fuel I said to get. Just enough to get me to the end of the race. That's all I need. I think I'm having a good race so far. Had a few bumps with the wall, a few bumps with some other cars. Other than that, I think I'm doing pretty good.
On your toes now. Outside. You're 3 wide. 3 wide. 3 wide. 3 wide. Inside now. Clear inside. 3 wide. Carlo. 3 wide. Clear high if you want it. Clear low if you want it. Clear. All clear. Leaders pitting. Inside now. 3 wide. Clear bottom. Carlo. Clear all around. Inside now. Inside. Clear bottom. Outside door. Clear outside. 1 on the bottom. Clear low. Carlo. Clear low. Clear outside. 10 to go this time. Inside now. Clear low if you want it. 1 on the bottom. 1 low. Clear low. bottom. Clear low if you want it. Car inside. Clear inside. Outside now. Clear high and you want it. Car high. Clear high. 5 to go now. One inside. Clear low if you want it. One low. Clear bottom. One bottom. Clear inside. Clear low if you want it. One bottom. Clear bottom. Two to go. One high. Clear outside. One inside. 3 wide. Clear low. Clear. One to go. One low. Keep your chin up. We'll get things turned around.
Got 27th at the end of that race. I felt like I had a good race right there. Hey, Rubbin's racing, man. Get over it. At least I didn't wreck you. Right? I didn't wreck him. Sending me the bill for all those dents and dings, man. All right, everybody. I'm back to my first truck, I believe. Yeah, this is my first one, or the other one's my first one. I don't know. As you can tell, this one's all level 2. I'm gonna do some upgrades to it. Probably one upgrade. Get ready for tomorrow, heading to Bristol. So I'd like to thank you all for stopping by. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know how I did. I will see y'all tomorrow for the race at Bristol. So y'all take care. Have a good rest of your day. I will see you later.
The racer who never stopped speed lies forever.